Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Noise has launched one more budget fitness smartwatch and it's the ColorFit Pulse Grand. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you its features. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the watch along with the model name ColorFit Pulse Grand. And this is a fitness smartwatch. At the back we have the key features and this smartwatch is available in 4 colors: jet black, champagne grey, electric blue and olive green. About the features, you get the large 1.69-inch display, SpO2 monitoring, 7 days battery life, stress monitoring, calls and SMS quick reply, female health tracking, heart rate monitoring, 60 sports modes, and this smartwatch is IP68 waterproof. The companion app Noise Fit is available for both Android and iOS platform. The MRP of this smartwatch on the box is Rs 3,999. But this smartwatch will be available to purchase from tomorrow at an introductory price of just Rs 1,999. After tomorrow, the price will be increased to 2,699. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get this thank you card, and here we have the warranty information, and then below it we have the noise stickers, and here we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, my first impression about this smartwatch is that even though the price of this watch comes under a budget segment, but the build quality feels pretty good. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user manual, and here we have the detailed info about the features of this smartwatch. And then in the box we get the charging cable, which is magnetic, and here is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand is a budget fitness smartwatch. Looking at the design and build quality, I really find the build quality of this smartwatch pretty good. It doesn't feel cheap at all, and according to me, it's definitely one of the best build quality watch I have tested in this price segment. In terms of the design, we have the polycarbonate body in this smartwatch. The watch feels lightweight. Even though you get a chunky body, it goes well with the overall design of this smartwatch. The TPU straps are also of good quality, and the smartwatch does feel comfortable on the hand. Now in terms of the overview, we have the 1.69-inch display in this smartwatch, and you also get a curved screen. On the right side, we have the function button with the noise branding. And here at the back, we have the heart rate and the SpO2 sensor. And on the top, we have the charging points. So overall in terms of design and build quality, Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand offers a beautiful looking smartwatch with exceptionally well built quality. And we are really happy with the design and quality, keeping in mind the pricing. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here the smartwatch is on, and for pairing, we need to download the companion app Noise Fit. The pairing process is simple. Just tap on the add device button and you will see the Noise Pulse Grand in the list. And after that, confirm the pairing request on the watch. So our smartwatch is now paired. Now let me show you the features of this watch. So here we are on the watch face. And upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And guys, you also get over 150 plus cloud-based watch faces in the app that I will show you in a moment. Now about the controls, swiping down from the top will show you the notification history, and swiping up from the bottom will show you the quick settings. And here we have the brightness, torch, find phone option and the settings of this smartwatch. Swiping right or left on the watch face will show you the quick apps such as music, heart rate, SpO2, stress and the step count. To access the main menu, you will need to press the function button once, and here we have the menu. So guys, before we show you the menu, I must say that the interface of this watch is smooth and the touch response is also very good, which is a pretty good performance from a smartwatch which cost just 2,000 rupees. Now about the menu. So first we have the activity, and here we have the current day's fitness data. And then we have the sleep, which will show you the last night's sleep details. After that we have the SpO2, and guys, the SpO2 data in this smartwatch is fairly accurate. After that we have the heart rate, and in this smartwatch you also get auto heart rate option. And about the accuracy, the data is accurate and you don't get the false heart rate reading when you put the smartwatch on the table. Then in the menu we have the stress, which will show you a score letting you know how stressed you are. Now coming back to the main menu, then we have the clock, and here we have the alarm, stopwatch, world clock, timer with some preset timers up to 6 minutes. Then in the menu we have the workout, and here we have 60 plus sports modes neatly categorized. And in terms of the sports modes, you get plenty of options. Then in the menu we have the sport record, which will show you the workout history. After that we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather along with the weather forecast. Then in the menu we have the music, and with this watch you can control the music playing on your phone, and you can also increase or decrease the volume. After that we have the breathe, which will let you do some breathing exercises. Then we have the reminders, which you can set from the app. After that we have the torch, which is a pretty handy feature. Then in the menu we have the watch face, and then finally we have the settings. In the settings we have the brightness and the vibration adjustment. You also get the wrist awake feature, which is basically the race to wake feature. And guys, during our testing we found the performance of race to wake pretty good. After that in the settings we have the usual DND, QR code for the app, and then the reset, restart, and the power off option. So that's all the features we have on the smartwatch, and right now I can say you get pretty much all the features in this watch except the remote camera shutter, which by the way you can access from the app. Now let me show you the companion app NoiseFit. So first of all guys, we have covered the app NoiseFit many times in our previous videos. I'll be showing you today just the main features. So here we are on the home page, and in this you can see your fitness data such as heart rate, SpO2, sleep, etc. You can tap on any of these to see the historical data. On the watch face page, you can see the available cloud-based watch faces for this smartwatch. You can also create a customized watch face through the app. And about the watch face options, you get plenty of options for this smartwatch. And then we have the setting page, and on the settings, you can enable different reminders such as idle alert, drink water reminder, hand wash reminder, and you can also turn on the auto heart rate monitoring. You also have the option to turn on the REM, which is the rapid eye movement, for better sleep tracking. And then we have the notification and the alert settings. And guys, from here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And as mentioned earlier, you get the quick reply option in this smartwatch. And with this, you can send a preset message while rejecting a call. And now let me show you the message notification. And for the text messages, you also get the preset replies option, but unfortunately we don't get the emoji support. And then finally in these settings, we have the remote camera shutter, and with this you can shake the watch to click a picture. So overall, Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand is a wonderful budget smartwatch. We are really impressed with the design and the build quality of this smartwatch. The display performance is good for both indoor and outdoors. The fitness data is also fairly accurate, and keeping in mind the pricing, you get a feature-rich smartwatch. This smartwatch is also IP68 waterproof, and you get a decent 7 days battery backup. So to sum it up, we think it's the best budget fitness smartwatch you can purchase right now under Rs 2000, and it's definitely worth every single penny. And as usual, if you like this smartwatch and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.